Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have GARMIN tactix 7 and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Factory reset could be useful if you want to, let's say, sell the watch to somebody or give it away to somebody and you don't want to access your data. What else? In some rare cases you could try to factory reset your watch to try to fix some problems with it. So if something is not working properly on your watch, you could try to factory reset the watch and hopefully that will solve your problems. But you can also reset only the settings to the factory default. Garmin watches give you that option. You don't need to remove the data as well. And I would recommend that option when it comes to fixing stuff. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. So first, I recommend to check the battery level on your watch, because if the battery is low and it dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Open the menu, and as you can see, mine is at almost 80%, so we're fine. Anything above 20-30% is going to be a-okay. So if it's not charged, I recommend to charge your battery. And then we need to go to settings. So to go to settings, you of course open the menu by pressing and holding the middle button right here, then scroll down. And once you scroll down enough, you will open the settings, and here we have the settings. What we need to do is to find the system option and tap on it. Then scroll down and look for the reset. And once you find the reset option, of course, tap on it. And here we have few options, and we are interested in delete data and reset settings. This is the complete factory reset. It will remove the data and the settings. But if you're trying to solve some problems and you want to just reset the settings, you can always use this option, reset default settings, instead. But we're gonna use the other option, the delete data and reset settings, in this video. So tap on it, then press the upper button to confirm. Here we want to confirm by tapping on yes, and now we need to wait until the resetting process is complete, which will take a while. Actually, I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, and once you see this message on the screen saying ready in different languages, it means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. And see you in the next one.